from R.D. Sharma, class 6, chapter number 6, fraction. In that topic is equivalent fraction. Now what is equivalent fraction? Fraction having the same value are called equivalent fraction. Let us say with an example. Here it is given. I am taking another example. Okay. If I'll take 3 by 4. So 3 into 1 upon 4 into 1, which is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Then 3 by 4 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 6 by 4 to the 8. Then 3 into 3 upon 3, 4 into 3, which is equal to 9 upon 12. This is called equivalent fraction. This is 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12. What they are saying that fraction having the same value are called equivalent fraction. If their same value is there, then they are called equivalent fraction. See, we are multiplying same value with another number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can check it for with that. Now let us see with 10 exercise 6.5. Write the fraction and check whether they are equivalent or not. Now first of all we will write the fraction. So total is 2, so denominator is 2 and one shaded part is 1, so 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here total is 4 and shaded part is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 by 6. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 8. I have written all the fraction which is written over here. Okay. Now 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 upon 4. This is okay. Second number came. Now I am multiplying 1 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 2. 3 upon 2 3 is 6. 6 came. Now last one, 1 into 4 upon 2 into 4, which is equal to 4 upon 8. This 4 upon 8 came. So they are equivalent because we are multiplying one value only and the answer is same. So equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Value is same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So they are equivalent. So I'll write here they are equivalent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now total is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon 15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 and 1, 2, 3. 3 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. Now like this way they are given. Here smaller is 1 by 3 it is there. Okay. So I am multiplying 1 by 3 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 only. So I am checking this one with 2. So equal to 2 upon 6. Same. 1 upon 3 into 3 equal to 3 upon 9, which is same. And last one, 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4, which is equal to 4 upon 4 3 is 12. And 1 into 5 upon 3 into 5, which is equal to 5 upon 50. Here also the same. Okay. So in all of them 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 all are common. So they are equivalent fraction. Okay. So second one is also yes, they are equivalent fraction. Now question number 2. Write the fraction and match fraction in column 1 with the equivalent fraction in column 2. Now we have to make the column same. Now first of all we are writing all the fraction. 1 upon 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 upon 9. We can cancel it. 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So your answer is 1 upon 3. Again equivalent fraction is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 9. This is also we can cancel. 6, 3 twos are and 3. How many is are? 3 threes are. So 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 upon 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 1 upon 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 upon 9. So 3 ones are, 3 threes are. 1 upon 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 upon 6. 2 twos are and 2 threes are, which is 2 upon 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 upon 4. We can't cancel it, that's why we are remaining. That's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This we can cancel. So 2 threes are and 2 fours are. So 3 upon 4. Now check that which are the same. Now first one is same. Okay, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So fourth is answer is D. Third one 1 upon 3. Here 1 upon 3 is there. Here this A. Okay, 1 upon 3. So I am writing here A answer. Okay, for the 3 A answer. For second 2 by 3. 2 by 3 C. 2 by 3 C. For fourth one D answer. For third one A answer. For second one C answer. Whichever the same we have to match that. Okay, and for the first one 1 by 2. So here B answer. Okay, B 1 by 2. B answer is B. Now question number 3. Replace box in each of the following by correct number. Now we have to replace this box. Now 2 into 3, which is 6. So here we had multiply with 3. So here also we have to multiply with 3. So 7 threes are 21. So 21 is the answer. Same way for the second one. 5 twos are 10. So here we had multiply with 2. So in the denominator also we have to multiply with 2. So 8 twos are 16. Third one. Here in the denominator multiply with 4. 5 fours are 20. Here also 4. 4 fours are 60. Now fourth one. See, your answer is 15. So it is less than. Okay. Because it is less than, we have to divide it. So 45. If we will divide this with 3. Okay. 15 into 3 is 45. So 45 divided by 3 equal to 15. Here we have to divide by 360. So it is 20. Answer is 15 upon 20. Now fifth one. 18. 18 upon 24. So we have to divide it because here it is less number. So divide it by which number? 24. Answer should be 4. By which number we have to divide? 6. Okay. With 6 we have to divide. So 18 divided by 6. So what is the answer? 18 divided by 6. 3. 3 by 4. Okay. If, say, simple, if your answer is greater than your question, then you have to multiply. If your answer is smaller than your question, then you have to divide. Now see question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having numerator 9. Now we have to make the numerator 9. Let us solve it. Now question number 4, first one, numerator 9 you had given, okay, with equivalent fraction 3 upon 5. Now with 3 upon 5, numerator answer should be 9. So what we have to do? Answer is 9. Multiply because it is smaller and answer is greater. So 3 into 3, 9, and 5 into 3, 15. So answer is 9 by 50. Simple. Now see the second one. Denominator. Question is denominator 30. Okay. Denominator is 30. So how we have to write? 3 upon 5 equal to denominator is 30. So here 30. So with 5 whom we have to multiply? 5 6 are 30 into 3 into 6. 6 3 is 18. So 18 upon 30 is the answer. Now let us see question number 5. In that, find the fraction equivalent to 45 upon 60 having numerator 15. Same way 45 upon 60 we have to write equal to numerator 15. Let us solve it. See in question number 5, first one, numerator equal to 15. Question is greater than, answer is smaller. So we have to divide it. So 45 divided by 3, answer is 15. So we have to divide by 60 also. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. Same way for the second one, denominator equal to 4. Now 45, what we have to see? Here question is greater and answer is smaller. So what we have to do? Divide. Okay, 60 divided by 15 is 4 and 45 divided by 15 is 3. So answer is 3 upon 4. Now see question number 3rd one. In that, denominator equal to 240. So here 45 upon 60 equal to denominator is 240. So here we have to multiply y because answer is greater. So multiply 60 into 4 is 240 and 45 into 4 is 180. Okay. Now question number 6. In question number 6, find the fraction equivalent of 35 upon 42 having numerator 15. Now this 35 upon 42 we have to cancel it. Okay, just cancel it. 7 5s are and 7 6 are. So 5 upon 6. Now first one. Now we have to use 5 upon 6 only. Now 5 multiply because here greater. So 5 into 3 and 6 into 3 is 80. Now second one, denominator is 18. So 6, here 18 is there. Okay. So we have to multiply. 6 into 3 is 18 and 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. So 15 upon 18 is your answer. Now see question number 7. Check the given fraction are equivalent. 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. Equivalent, what we have to do for checking that they both fraction are equivalent or not? Let us solve it. Now your question is 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 34. What you have to do? You have to cross multiplication. 5 into 34 which is equal to 270, and 9 into 30 equal to 270. If your cross multiplication is same, then you can say that they are equivalent fraction. So what we have to write? 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 34 are equivalent fraction. Okay, if your cross multiplication is same, then it is equivalent fraction. If they are different, then they are not the equivalent fraction. Now let us see the second one. Third one question is 7 upon 13, 5 upon 11. Again cross multiplication. So 7 into 11 equal to 77, and 13 into 5, which is equal to 65. Now see, this 77 is not equal to 65. So what we have to write? 7 upon 13 and 5 upon 11 are not equivalent fraction. Okay. Now let us see sixth one. See sixth one, we have to cross multiply. So 9 into 75, which is equal to 675, and 27 into 25 equal to 675. Both are equal. So last what we have to write? 9 upon 27 and 25 upon 75 are equivalent fraction. Okay. Now we'll see question number 8. Question number 8. Match the equivalent fraction and write another 2 for each. First of all, we'll cancel this. Okay. We'll cancel and take it in simplest form. 0, 0 cancel. 5 5s are and 5 8s are 40. Okay, so answer is 5 by 8. Here 0, 0 cancel. With 2 we can cancel. 2 9s are and 2 10s are. So answer is 9 by 10. Here 0, 0 cancel. 11 6s are, 11 9s are. Again we can cancel. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So 2 by 3 is the answer. 0 0 cancel. 6 3s are 18 and 6 6 are 36. So 3 1s are and 3 2s are 6. So 1 upon 2. 0 0 cancel. 11 2s are, 11 5s are. So 2 upon 5. Now this one we have to match it. 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 9 by 10, 9 by 10, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Another 2 for each we have to write. So we'll multiply this 2 by 3 into 2, because 1 it is written is only there. So 2 upon 3. So 2 into 2, 3 into 2, which is equal to 2 to the 4 upon 6. We have to multiply with 3 also, because 2 needed, 1 and 2. So 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6 upon 3 3s are 9. Okay. Same way for this also we have to multiply with 2. 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2. This is 2 2s are 4 upon 5 2s are 10. With 3, 2 into 3 upon 5 into 3. 2 3s are 6 upon 5 3s are 15. Now 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2. So 2 upon 4, and 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3. So 3 upon 6. Another one, 5 into 2 upon 8 into 2, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. 5 into 3 upon 8 into 3, which is equal to 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Another one, 9 upon 10. So 9 into 2 upon 10 into 2, which is equal to 9 2s are 18 upon 20, and 9 into 3 upon 10 into 3, 9 3s are 21 upon 10 3s are 30. That's your answer. Okay, this one is your answer. 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 4 by 10, 6 by 15, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 10 by 16, 15 by 24, 18 by 20, and 21 by 30. Thank you for watching this video.